we go with the third method and we go with the command indented. We go with that command, but first we need to have a body. To go with that command, we can go in here, make a sketch, and we can create it, extrude, but we need to have a different body. We go like that, we go same, but I want to change direction here, only change direction, and you can see when you have it like that, it's better you move face 0.01 and change direction, and now you can see a clean because it's you have it board. And we go with the same, we go sketch and we go convert, future, extrude. Now we have a free body and I want to hidden this, and then go with the hidden command, this body I want to cut, and we can have a tolerance clean, and I want to have this body and we can have a tolerance like I said. And now we have one body, two body, three body. This body we can use for combine with another, but also if we want for next we can leave for core, but I want to hidden this and show that body, and we can go with a combine other than, and we have it like before. We have created like before. I use most of the time for when I create a mod, I use that command because it's good for when we use that command, and we can also move and we can see